Torres.
Matapos ang madugong panalo ni Reggie Suganov kontra former Japanese champion Kai Izizawa via brutal TKO sa round 8. Ay lumaban din sa undercard itong si Renz Dakel, ang tumalo noon sa prinsesa ng mga Inoue. Nakalaban niya dito ang undefeated prospect ng PMI Boxing Promotion, ang tubong Misamis Oriental na si Althea Shine Porres. May record ito na 4 wins, 0 loss, 1 via knockout, habang 3 wins, 1 loss, 2 via knockout naman si Renz Dakel. 6 rounds non-title fight. Isang matinding bakbakan, ang pinamalas ng dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Parehong matatapang, matibay at palaban. Sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang naging highlights ng kanilang maaksyong laban. Renz Dakel ng Metro Manila kontra Althea Shine Porres ng Misamis Oriental.
The National Capital Region from Manila. Let's give it up for Renz Dakel. She is undefeated in 4 bouts from Claveria, Misamis Oriental. Let's give it up for Althea Shine Porres. I'll give instructions to our boxers.
That happens once in a few years, so this is very special. And featuring 2 of the best light flyweights in the country.
Probably the winner of this tussle could have a chance of having a fight in a regional level.
You know what? These 2 girls give Fight Like a Girl a new meaning. Because this is how girls fight. The performance of their lives. Partner, itong si Althea Shine Porres has an undefeated record, 4 wins. Ito naman si Renz Dakel, her lone loss is with a fighter that we both know. Hulaan mo kung sino. Yung nasa corner niya ngayon, si Gretel Labas. Yun ang tanging talo ni Renz.
Si Mama.
Si Mama. So we have really, when I say it, it's true, the 2 of the best female boxers here in the country right now.
I think it's about time for the Filipino to excel in female boxing naman, partner.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Althea Porres wearing the white and blue shorts. Si Dakel is wearing the black and red. Black and yellow trunks.
Ang PMI talaga all size and shape, partner, no? Kahit sa female fighting, they're trying very hard na mag-excel din ang mga babae dito sa Bohol.
Renz Dakel, if I'm not mistaken, Ilocana din to, but she's fighting by way of NCR or Manila. Here are some of the highlights of that round.
I think he belongs to Samahang Kickboxing ng Pilipinas also. Yung mga nasa corner niya, makakakilala natin si Rex De Lara.
Here we go, round 2 of this female title fight. The Philippine Cup title is on the line for the light flyweight division.
Tumama yung right leg ng Dakel. Ayun.
Dakel with a jab.
Parang yung Porres, gusto niya pumasok doon sa bracket ni Dakel, wherein he could maximize his advantage. Kasi kung sa labas lang ng laban, I think may advantage yung Dakel with a long range.
I mean that you're at a disadvantage, pero you have to work that distance. And there you have it. So she was
Ito ang right for Torres.
Another overhand by Torres. And holds. And there's that jab, stiff jab.
Alam mo naman partner, pet project ko yun na magkaroon ng international championship dito sa ating bansa. And then, very patient, baka sooner or later.
Hindi ako mali. It was against Kai Rivas and Florivic Montero, if I'm not mistaken.
Alam ko, naglaban din yung ano. Oh, yun yata yun. Yun yata yun. Yung kay Gretel, tsaka yung kay Draw, Kalin Libas. Pero hindi ko na maalala kung ano, for title yun.
You know how important for female boxers to watch them?
Wow! Wow! Combination by Daniel. Both fighters.
Moving.
Ganda rin ang tuot ng upper ng Dakil Packer. Very equally yung dalawang fighter na ito.
We're down to like the final round.
Oh, nice leg by Torres.
This is all out to our partner.
Grand combination by Torres. Parang nabuhayan lalo ako dito.
Partner, grabe yung audience natin. Akala nila tapos na ang excitement. Yung mga umuwi. Saan?
Sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung hintalian, saka itong babae, will probably steal the thunder of what Reggie Suganov, pero I think yung Suganov talaga maganda talaga kay Bert.
For sure. Trying to stay long range, using that distance. Ito naman si Althea Shine Forrest, closing the distance with her overhands. It's a battle of range, it's a battle of attrition. Dalawa sa pinakamagagaling na boxers natin, female boxers natin dito sa Pilipinas. Yung explosion ng dalawa na mid-combination. Really see how they handle that.
Body punch by Torres. Torres, gusto niya mauna siya eh. Yun naman talaga kailangan gawin niya. We must not wait for the kill to establish. But yeah, kailangan pumasok siya.
That is probably like gonna stay in the minds of our viewers for a very long time.
For quite some time, meron tayong magandang female fight na ganito.
Itong si Althea Shine Forrest, parang Mike Tyson, just using body movement to do that throwing jab. Ito na got through for Renz also, but Althea still moving forward. Unleashing punches by punches. Again, alam ko maraming sumusuporta sa kanilang dalawa, mga taga-samahang kickboxing ng Pilipinas, mga taga-Abra, mga taga-Claveria, Misamis Oriental.
Tolmit ang laban na to.
Of course.
Napakaganda ng laban na to.
Of course. I mean, you're seeing two top caliber live flyweights.
10 seconds.
The future looks bright for female boxing here in the Philippines, partner.
Wow!
There you have it.
Si Attorney Richard Clarin.
Of course.
Who knows,
our hardworking chairman.
Who knows, baka nanonood sa streaming ngayon. I think he's very proud na
Of course.
nakataya yung GAB title dito.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Tsaka si Ma'am Jackie Cacho Ornido also na naging contact sports na OIC natin, partner.
Alam mo, he wants everyone to get involved in promoting Philippine boxing sa female, yung ating mga female boxers.
Again, partner, bago matapos
57 all, we have a split draw, ladies and gentlemen.